Hello everyone. Today I will be showing the new design for our project that we discussed in the last video. You can check out the demonstration for our app. The link is in the description. So let's check the previous design first. Here you can see the previous design like home screen, search screen, filter screen, question, profile screen and etc. Let's move to the new design. Here is the dashboard and I have kept the name of our app as prep point initially. So as you can see, the app welcomes user with a text. Here are some trending cards, some university logos are displayed here. You can check more by clicking on the view all. Here are top contributors listed. Now here is the search screen, a basic search bar with a filter button and in results, you can see the question cards. By clicking on the view details or on the card, you can move towards the reader screen where you can read the answers of the questions. Now, you can add various filters like institutes, courses, subjects, contributors, and you can get the results by clicking on the apply button. This is the upload screen, one of our main screens. Here user can enter basic details and even add some attachments like PDFs. By clicking on the proceed button, he will be redirected to the screen. Here user can add contents of the question and answer of it. Now the next is the dashboard screen. Here user can get the analysis of his activity and his earnings. Now you can see total reads, total question, recent activities and many more. By clicking on the earnings button, he will be redirected to this screen. Now, here is the profile screen where user can see his posted question and perform various actions on it. By clicking on the edit profile button, user will be redirected into this screen. Here he can edit some basic details like profile picture, username, mobile number, etc. This is the explore screen where user can explore various institute, courses and subjects. And I have kept the card design for the institute same as the previous one. When user clicks on any question card, he will be redirected to this screen. Here he can see the details of the questions and also hide them using this button. He can redirect to the PDF attachments in the PDF viewer screen by clicking on these buttons, and he can see the answer of the question here. Now here is the login screen that gives us simple and clean look, and the same goes for the sign up screen. And we have also the verification screen where we will get the verification from users. Forgot password screen same as the previous one. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.